As a technician, my main role here is we fabricate the object straight from glass stores, working closely with PEs and GLs to generate and polish optics.
My typical day as a quality control inspector is checking the optics and making sure they're at the right tolerance spec, and when it goes into the machines, there's nothing that's affected by the ultraviolet lights. I look under 40-watt lights and a high-intensity light to make sure there's no sleeks, which is a slight scratches, stains, digs, and fractures.
Quality is first. We do that by doing a very thorough inspection of all the objects after we generate, after we polish, make sure there's no subsurface damage.
We are in the front of technology. If you have the skills that you can be part of ASML, definitely give yourself the opportunity.